So it's July 2026. At the time of recording this video, my Nigerian stock portfolio is around 51% profit. A lot of people cannot say the same this year so far because it's been horrible for them. At the end of May and June 2026, we had a lot of sell-offs. Some people, got into equity funds and lost a lot of money. I advised them not to sell and all of that. Now, one of the questions you probably have for me is, how have I managed to stay in profit, with everything going on? Well, on one hand, I'm an accounting student at the moment. I moved from computer science, to accounting. On the other hand, I have access to a lot of information. Now, some of you know me as that guy who used to make videos about US stocks. I've been doing US stocks for years before I got into Nigerian stocks. So I also took that knowledge. But the thing with Nigerian stocks is you have a lot of people who are posers, right? They don't know what, return return on equity and return on assets are. Some of them are just content creators, right? And there's nothing wrong with that, because if you create content around something, you tend to get better with time. But the danger of, listening to content creators alone is the fact that they can just tell you to buy a particular stock. That's it. No reason, nothing. In this video, we're going to be doing something different. We're not going to be talking about influencers here. I keep saying I'm not an influencer as well. We're going to be talking about platforms that you can actually, check out if you want information on what's happening in the Nigerian stock market, daily, weekly, monthly. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to talk about about a dozen platforms that you can find information about what's happening in the stock market, how to use these platforms to organize your portfolio, how they work and all of that. These platforms are also free. You don't have to pay for anything. So that's pretty much what this video is about. Also, this is not an advert. None of these platforms have paid me for anything. Now, my number one platform for information about the Nigerian stock market is Twitter. Twitter, because a lot of investors tweet their thoughts on the platform. They ask questions, get answers and all of that. So if you go on Twitter and you type NGX, you're going to see a lot of tweets about the Nigerian stock market. You can follow some of these investors. They tend to do these things where they also share their dividends when it's dividend period. They tend to share facts about different things. Some of the platforms I'm also going to mention in this video show up on Twitter sometimes to talk about things like AGMs, the annual general meetings, the EGMs as well, all of that, the earnings. A lot of these platforms are already on Twitter. So Twitter is, in my opinion, one of those places you can actually check out if you want to know what's happening in the Nigerian stock market. The next platform would be AccessWhat. AccessWhat pulls fresh information from the NGX website in almost real time. I think there's like a 30-minute delay between these platforms. When you check out AccessWhat, you can create an account for free. You can create a watch list. You can also add a particular stock to, basically get notifications. Kind of like watch list, but it's more advanced. The platform is really good. And again, nobody paid me, for this. But I've used it to pretty much organize my stocks, and I get notified when a company like Zenith, for example, an insider buys Zenith shares. I get notified about it, right? There are so many other things you can do on the platform. You get to know about AGMs that are coming up, earnings that are coming up as well. They have a section for mutual funds. You can use it to check if a stock is doing well right now or if it's not, because they have like an AI feature on the platform that tells you what is going on with a particular Nigerian stock at the moment. So there are so many things you can do on the platform. But I'm going to stop here because I'm not trying to sell the platform to you, but I'm just letting you know that it's one of those places you can actually learn a lot about the Nigerian stock market, and you don't have to rely on anyone to do so, because all the data are pulled from the NGX platform directly, and you can just use it to query anything. You can even ask the AI on the AccessWhat platform, if a particular stock is a buy right now, or if it's not a buy. So there are so many things you can do on the platform. Number 3 is StockBubbles. StockBubbles is kind of like a heat map platform. I really like how nifty it is, because you just go on the platform, already on the homepage you see all the Nigerian stocks that are doing well or doing bad today, how much volume they are trading right now. You can also go to the settings at the top right corner and change it from stocks alone, from equity to basically all the other assets as well. So you can get a sense of how the Nigerian stock market is performing today, or this month, or this quarter so far, if you use StockBubbles. Again, I'm smiling talking about it because it's a very nifty tool. Like, the guys that created it, they did a very good job to really show you the important things going on in the market, like the volume, for example, how much percentage the market has moved today. As you already know, the stock market per day does not move beyond 10%. So if it moves beyond 10%, sometimes maybe something happened, maybe there's like a dividend correction or something, you notice it on that platform, and if you check their Twitter, you'd actually see the explanation for that change. Again, also not trying to sell the platform, but there are so many things you can do with the StockBubbles platform. So in my list, it's going to be number 3. And number 4 is Green Ticker Tails. Green Ticker Tails, it's funny, I discovered the platform through Spotify. I was checking out Nigerian Stocks podcast on Spotify, and Green Ticker Tails came up, and it just led me down a rabbit hole. They have a Spotify and Apple podcast, playlist for just daily events happening in the stock market. They have a YouTube channel as well. They are very, very active on Twitter. They have Twitter spaces on Sundays to talk about the week ahead and all of that. One of the guys championing the platform is called Onome. I think his handle on Twitter is Quasimodo or something. They do a very good job talking about earnings in the stock market. If there's some urgent news or a shift in the Nigerian stock market, you hear about it through Green Ticker Tails. So it's a collection of a bunch of passionate people who like the Nigerian stock market and want to see it move forward. So they share updates from time to time. Again, they are not influencers, and you can pretty much get updates from them for free without paying for anything. So it's also my go-to place for all information about the Nigerian stock market. The next platform is NGX Pulse. Think of NGX Pulse as the Nigerian stock market website, or the NGX website. Think of it as the NGX website, but more advanced in a sense, more clean, more detailed, more updated. I feel like somebody just woke up one morning and said, the Nigerian stock market website is shitty. Let me make something neater. So they built, NGX Pulse. It's a platform where you find disclosures, real-time information about what's happening in the market, just like AccessWhat and these other platforms, but it's neater. It's really well done, and you can access it from mobile. You can export a lot of data from that platform. It's, in my opinion, also one of those places you should pay attention to if you're checking out what's happening in the market today. You can also access snapshots as well. They have a blog for news and what's going on in the market as well. You also see daily top gainers and top losers on the homepage of the platform. It's very, very detailed. The next one is NGN Market. NGN Market is similar to NGX Pulse. Think of it as one of those platforms where you can get a lot of information about the Nigerian stock market. You have the heat map, you have the daily charts, daily news, best performing stocks. It's basically a real-time data platform for NGX investors who are looking to maybe trade daily or weekly. There's so much information on the platform as well. Then the next one is Nairaland. Yes, the Nairaland. They have forums on the Nairaland platform where you can find a lot of information about the Nigerian stock market. Now, one of the things I've noticed about Nairaland is it's a lot of the OG guys, that, still talk about stocks, who have been trading stocks for a very long time or still use Nairaland, that use the platform. You won't find a lot of young people on Nairaland who are talking about Nigerian stocks. But if you've been using Nairaland, or you're one of the OG Nigerian stock investors, I think you should check out those Nairaland forums. You just type NGX Nairaland. You see a lot of information on Google search, about these forums where they talk about Nigerian stocks. Then the next one is a YouTube channel, a platform called TNI, the Nigerian Investor. They also have a podcast, but it's not just the podcast. They do this thing where they host other investors who are moving big money in the Nigerian stock market, or talking about the Nigerian stock market actively, advocating for the Nigerian stock market, news and updates about Nigerian stock market history as well. The channel is very, very rich. They talk about what's going on in the market, and they invite guests from time to time to talk about their experiences. Coach Omiete has been there before. Even the founder of Access What has been on the platform. So many other big investors have been on the TNI podcast. So I think you should subscribe to that channel. You're going to learn a lot about the Nigerian stock market. They've done a very, very selfless job, just having people come on the platform to talk about investing in Nigerian stocks and what the future holds for Nigerian investors. So I think you should check out the channel and subscribe. You'll learn a lot. And the next one is Tradingview. Tradingview has a section or a page for the Nigerians. Basically, there is a Nigerian stock market section on Tradingview where you can catch up on what's happening with a particular Nigerian stock. I think it also updates 30 minutes later. So it's not very real timey, but it's pretty detailed. It's pretty correct. A lot of investors who I know that, trade technicals, right? They use Tradingview. If you go on the Nigerian stock market page on Tradingview, you can also see some analysts who are posting their thoughts about different stocks, how the stocks are going to move, what could happen next to some stocks or to the market overall. So I think you should check that out. I'm going to leave a link to all of this in the description. Then the next one is nsmnews.com. I stumbled on this platform. I don't even remember how I found out about it, but it's a platform where people actually share news freely on the Nigerian stock market and what's happening. For example, Q2, the disclosures and the financial statements are going to start popping up soon for Q2. People are already talking about it on that forum, and I think they're also doing like a giveaway thing. I don't know the full gist or the full story on that, but this platform has a forum for stuff happening in Nigerian stock market, dividends. You basically see people talking about different things. At first, I didn't think it was an active platform, but I left the tab open, and this was like 2 months ago or so. Then the next day I came back and I refreshed it, and I saw that people were talking about other things, and I was like, wait, there are actually people here that are talking about Nigerian stock market and everything. So no man is an island, and having a forum where you have people talking about these things, it's really nice. It's really, really good. So I think you should check it out. You're going to learn a lot about what's happening in the future for Nigerian stocks, on the platform. They have a pretty detailed forum homepage where you see different topics and people discussing that particular topic. So these are all the information I have for you at this stage of this video. If you have questions, if you feel like I missed anyone, please let me know. Again, the platforms I shared here are not to promote individuals. It's to promote platforms and communities that are actually pushing the Nigerian stock market forward. If you feel like missed anyone, let me know under this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.